All right, here we have a problem that deals with Hooke's law. Hooke's law usually deals with the restoring force. There you go. Where uh, it is opposite to the direction of the displacement of the object that is oscillating. Okay, so first question here is that we want to find out what is the spring constant. Okay, given the equation of Hooke's law, F is equals to kx, k being the spring constant. If we try to rework it, we will get k is equals to F over x, right? We can also say, or we can also use the gradient of a graph that is a force versus extension graph. But be careful. Here you're asked for Newton per meter. This one is in centimeters, so you need to change it into your proper value. So since the compression given here is around 4 cm, okay, you'll be using 4 cm as well. Okay, so that's already the extension, right? Be careful also as well, the extension and the length after the extension is two different things. Okay, you need to subtract that total length from the original length so that you can get the extension, right? Or in this case, compression. Either way. All right. Anyway, so k is equals to the force here is around what value? Therefore, this one is around 24. So that's 24 newtons over 4.0 times 10 to the negative 2. 24 divided by 4.0 times 10 to the 2, and you'll get around 600 spring constant, Newton per meter. Now, the next question that you would be answering is that the work done to compress the spring by 4.0 centimeter is 0.48 joules. We want to prove that one. Take note that whenever we're trying to compress or stretch something, you're actually doing work, right? Because the spring is supposed to be on a certain position. When you try to compress it, it would have what you call as restoring force. And that's where all your effort, the work done, the work that's being done onto the spring by you, by me, as you do it. So, in this case, we want to prove that it's 0.48. It's actually very simple. The work done in springs usually is 1 half kx squared. Okay? It's 1 half times 600 times 0, 0.04 squared. Okay, let's try to solve this. So that's 300 times 0.04 squared. That gives you exactly 0.48. That's how you solve questions under Hooke's law.